So we received a call from our client that they were experiencing a health concern in the kitchen of their property. They were noticing black mold spores that was developing throughout the ceiling area. They contacted us to perform a partial inspection on the rear envelope of their home to determine why this issue is occurring. We were able to perform an interior thermal imaging inspection using FLIR technology that was able to locate and pinpoint major contributing factors of interior water incursion entering the interior ceiling system of the property. We were able to trace this disrepair to the exterior substrate of the property, where we found compromised masonry applications, caulking, and other finished installations that were allowing interior water incursion to cause mold spores to grow. We were able to formulate proper remediation protocols for this project, which includes remediation of the interior kitchen ceiling and exterior repairs, which currently allow interior water incursion. Once we're able to put a stop to this exterior water that's entering the property, then we can be sure that we are preventing future mold growth, and we can perform water damage restoration, which includes putting back the insulation, the drywall, and painting the interior of the kitchen to make it look like the issue never occurred.
Moisture Master Pros came out and they fixed the problem. They went above and beyond my expectations. Super happy with the work. And they made sure that I had a clean, healthy environment. I recently got a kidney transplant, so it's super important that that happened for me, and I couldn't be happier with what these guys have done for me.